How to separate Facebook business page from personal account. Every Facebook page must have at least one admin, which can be your personal profile. Separating does not delete the page but removes your personal account from admin if desired. And this is how the relationship works. Firstly, open Facebook app on your device and go to your menu. Scroll down and go to Settings. Inside Settings, you need to look for Page Roles. It's not available here in My Settings because this is a personal account, but make sure that you are checking in a Facebook page. Click on Page Roles, add a new admin account. It can be another personal profile or a business email. After that, assign admin role and then save it. You will also need to remove yourself from the page. To do this, search for your name inside Page Roles. After that, click on Remove to confirm removal. There are things that you need to understand before doing this. You cannot completely own a page without linking it to any account. Also, always add a trusted admin before removing yourself, because removing yourself without adding another admin can lock the page forever. That's all for today. Thank you.